Hey everyone, James here again on another day of lockdown, and today I'm going to talk about making lists. So this is just another thing you can use to kind of help get through the repetitiveness of every day. A lot of the time, what tends to happen when you get stuck in a confined space for a long time is actually you have a load of stuff that you need to do that you just keep putting off because you don't really have a deadline. There's no urgency about it, and then at the same time, while you're putting off all those things on one side, you're not really doing anything else. You're stuck in your house thinking I've got nothing to do, and actually that's probably not the case. And this is where list making can come in really useful. So the idea is to make two lists. One is a to-do list of everything you need to do. And the way you're going to approach that list is write down all the things in the morning, write down everything you want to get done that day. And then I want you to just go through the list and take off everything. Just take off everything except one thing. So you've got a load of stuff that you actually do need to get done. It's good to write it out so you make that conscious thought in the day, but if you're new to this, or if you're finding that this is a problem to begin with, you don't want to be trying to tackle so many things. One of the surest ways to make sure you get nothing done is to overwhelm yourself by realizing that there's too much to do. So you're going to make a list of everything that you need to do, and you're just going to pick the top one thing that today, if I get nothing else done, this is what has to happen. As you go through the days, if you find that you can just knock that one thing out really easily without very much difficulty, by all means, you can start increasing the size of that to-do list. But that'll be the important way to just have some overarching theme or task or goal for each day so that you don't get too lost. The second thing is coming up with just things to do in the house that aren't the same all the time. So you're going to have one more list, and that list is just things that you can do, things that can be done. And this will be just any ideas that you've had, every activity that you do in a day, just write it down, whether it's playing chess, learning a language, reading a book, including stuff that maybe might also be on the to-do list. So getting work done, making phone calls, talking to sending one message to a family member or a friend every day. Every time you come up with an idea, just write it down on the list. So every time you find you're getting stuck in a rut and there's nothing to do and you don't know what to do, just go down that list and see if any of them take your fancy at that time. So just very basic idea, two lists, things that need to be done, things that can be done. Let me know if you've got any questions or comments about that. Otherwise, thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.